Today I'm going to be taking you step by step through the Cricut design space to create these candy and donut cutouts using my Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. This is the first time that I'll be using it, so I'll also give a little review at the end. First, you want to go into design.cricut.com and open that up. Okay, you can see I have already started this project, but I'm going to go through it again to show you how I did it. So I'm going to go New Project. I'm going to upload an image. So for this image, I actually went to pixabay.com. These are free images. So I typed in donuts. I did vector graphics. And then I found this image, which is the one I'm going to use. So for this new project, I'm going to upload an image, browse the donuts. I'm going to go to complex. The background is already gone. So go forward. If you want to print them exactly as they are, you can choose this one here. But I want to cut them on my own colored paper. So I'm going to save as a cut image. You can title it here with some tags to make it easier to find your images later. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to insert image onto the page. And then your paper, if you're using scrapbook paper, is probably 12 by 12. So you're going to want to push that in. Now for me, I wanted mine larger. So I'm going to actually delete that. And you can see I did mine 2 a page, 2 on top, and then I did 2 on bottom. So these still have the patterns on them. And again, if you're just wanting cut on your own colored paper, you're going to go in and you're going to remove that no fill. And there you go. So here, fill, and then I clicked no fill. So I print these on a brown colored paper. I actually did a beige. And then I'm going to go, so these would be the toppers, and what I'm going to show you how I did that as well. To my projects, and now I'm going to hit upload image. I'm going to get those 3 donuts again. On this, you can do it either way. I just always go into complex. I'm going to hit this select and erase, and I'm going to hit the donut. You see, I'm not going to worry about this part right here because it doesn't matter to me. But now you can see that we're taking just the icing of the donut. Now, if you zoom in over here, you can see there are still some lines here. So I'm going to take the eraser undo that. I got a little too close. I'm going to go along those lines. I'm trying to see if I got them all. I think I did. Now we're going to zoom out. And if you're just wanting to do the 2 donuts, you're going to hit crop here. Try to get Just the two there. Continue. I'm just going to leave that as it is. And then I'm going to hit save. So there's that. And then I'm going to go to my projects. I'm going to go into donuts, customize. So here are the two donuts, and then I'm going to open the one that I just did, so the icing. Click Insert Image. And now we have to place them on top to make sure that they are the right size. Once you've got it where you want it, you're going to come over here. You're going to hit the eye. And that makes the base disappear so that you will only cut the icing. Of course, if you want to do more, you right click, copy, right click again, paste, and you can do more to a page. So you can get all four to one sheet. While this one is highlighted, you're going to hit Control, hit the ones above that, and then you're going to weld down here. That makes it one sheet, and then you'll hit it, make it. And that's it. Okay, so you line your paper up here in the corner on your board. You can see my board needs to be cleaned, but I'm going to wait until I'm done with my projects for the night. You're going to make sure that they are lined up here into these holders here. Then you're going to come over here, you're going to push the flashing button. It lines it up to the edge, and then the Cricut button will start flashing. Push that. And then again, this button here will flash, and that releases. And there you go. Now for the candies, do upload image. I found this image here, again with one of the free vector sites. You hit complex, and you're going to start clicking on the areas that you want to disappear. So for this first one, we're wanting to get just the basic shape of the candy wrapper. You can see this is what is going to cut. Okay, so there's that one. And then same thing, go back in. I'm going to hit complex. So on this one, I'm going to select and erase. I'm going to take out the background. And then I'm going to basically want to remove everything that is white. You can adjust the size of the eraser here. I'm not trying to be perfect here because, again, I'm just showing you how to do it. I've actually already went through this process, and then you'd click continue. It's really rough, so let's go to the one that I've already done, and again I've spent more time on, which is this one here. So again, this one has color, so this is if you wanted to print with the color, but if you want to use your own colored paper, you're going to go to fill and hit no fill. So you're going to use whatever color you'd like there, and then this can also be printed on a colored paper, a pattern paper, but I'm going to print these on white to go with the peppermints. And again, they don't have to be red. They can be, I'm going to actually use some different colors, orange and purple, I think. I'm going to hide that for now because I do need to print a few more of these. And again, you can always bring this back up if you hit the eye here. If you want to move this image to the back, you right click, send it back. Okay, so then you take this one and you kind of know how to size it then. And again, because you're doing two different papers, you're going to want to hide whichever one you're not cutting at the moment. Then once this one is cut, come over here to the eye, and then you would hide the part that you just did so that you can do the next layer. So I think everything turned out really good. I could not be happier with the new Cricut. It was so easy to use. My daughter loved the results. So I would definitely give the Cricut Explore Air 2 a thumbs up. Well worth the money. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more crafting videos and tutorials. Have a great day. Bye!